Hi guys, welcome back for another episode. We're back at the Horror House of Evil. My brother's always wanted to come here since we found this place. Since we've come here, obviously there is a storm on the way here, so there is a bit of wind, but it sounds like there's someone downstairs and we're actually upstairs at the moment, as you can see. But yeah, this place is seriously creepy.
Definitely is creepy.
You feel like someone's watching you here.
Yeah.
It gives you, yeah. So yeah, fingers crossed that we get some amazing activity again, and yeah, let's see what we get. If there's any spirits here that were communicating last time we were here, I've placed the same devices on the floor, but just in a different way. If you can interact with them, that would be amazing. That just made me shit my pants. Definitely no one down this bit. Yeah. You getting freaked out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got the heebie-jeebies then. That's you. What do you think of this place?
Yeah, this is pretty good, more spooky.
Yeah.
It's got a funny old atmosphere. You can literally hear like little knocks and bumps.
It sounds like someone's walking around.
Yeah, definitely. Gets the heart going, definitely.
Yeah. What the fuck? There was no doors for it to slam. They were all closed, weren't they?
Yeah.
Hello? What the fuck? I know there's wind, but the door was closed. Hello? I've got to go check. Did it? We'll come down with us then. Huh? Where was it in here? reckon it was in that room. That just made my heart race though.
Quickly check out the front.
Yeah, you can go check on the vehicles if you want.
Yeah. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
You can pop this door open.
No, don't worry about it.
That door just slammed right behind me. Freaked me out. That's very cute.
You are seriously on edge.
That made my heart go fast.
Alright.
You were putting my hat back on.
Right guys, we're going to try a spirit box session now. Is there any spirits that would like to communicate with us? Can you speak up? Alright, can you come and show me a torch over a second? The spirits that communicated with me last time I was here with Megan, you got anything to say now? You are? No. Let me see. What are your names? Oh, goosebumps all over. Do you have a message for us? They say yeah. What is it then, please? Don't you say leave?
I think so,
Yeah. Well, we're not leaving just yet.
no, we're going to just like.
Can you close this cupboard door that's in this room with us? Can you close it now? Is that you bumping around downstairs? As you can see guys, I've just strapped, it looks like a bomb, but it's actually my spirit box attached to a bright light speaker that actually lights up if it gets sound come through. Alec is absolutely shitting himself. Let's turn the spirit box off.
Look, that ball's going, yeah, look.
Pretty sure this camera would have picked up as well.
Well,
Luckily we've got that static cam going,
yeah.
but you were nowhere near it,
I
yeah?
was nowhere near, I was still literally just there.
As you can see, leaning against the wall is actually a sound boom, guys, just so I can hopefully get a clearer sound for you guys so you can hear everything that we're hearing. Can you light up the other balls?
Should we have another look in that room? Yeah, maybe just try and zoom it, let's go down into there. Look, that ball's going there, look.
That's just gone off.
Was it?
The fuck was that? What did that sound like to you?
I haven't. That sound
Like a growl?
Yeah, like a growl. Yeah.
That's just gone off.
Was it?
The fuck was that? That's just gone off.
Was it?
The fuck was that?
I don't know, like a. Can't do it as well. I don't know, like a. Can't do it as well. I don't know, like a. Can't do it as well.
It's lighting up again.
This is well. I wouldn't want to do this place in the dark. I wouldn't want to do this place in the dark. I wouldn't want to do this place in the dark. Oh my God.
That was a growl, wasn't it, that we heard?
I think it was.
This place is so dusty as well.
Yeah, it's like.
Whoa, I just got a little vertigo feeling then. That was weird. Can you light up the other devices? That's just gone off again, on request.
No way.
Can you light the other ones up, please?
What's that noise?
Can you light the other ones up, please?
What's that noise?
Can you light the other ones up, please?
What's that noise? Okay. Okay. Okay.
You go down and check. Should we go down and check?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
What's there? I thought that. as you can see, guys, I didn't mean to set it off. So there's something genuinely that you can't see has been touching that ball that's on the floor. Huh? Alright guys, basically that's it for another video. Basically we're having to call it quits because the storm is actually getting like bad and the wind is just terrible. All we can hear is the wind, and obviously it's not a pure investigation, so it's just messing up. So unfortunately that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, but we'll be back here again hopefully when there's no fucking storms. So yeah, until next time, peace.